got this clip for us to watch. It says, I totally understand the baby's reaction. Sleeping next to someone who snores is torture. Let's watch it. Baby had enough. The baby is like, why did you guys bring me to this world? Eh? What have I done to deserve this? Is this what my life has turned to? Oh my god. But I heard with snoring, it normally happens when you're very tired and you sleep on your back. But when you turn side, like sleep on your side, or you change position, it stops. But this guy looks, is he sleeping on his back? Can't really tell. It looks like he's a bit on his side. Seems like it's a bit, maybe more on his back. But comment on what you guys think though. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.